Hi, I'm Dave Sadison, founder and president of Environmental Controls and Service. When I started EC&S in 1988, we started small, and I really wanted to continue as we grew to keep a small family feel to this company, and I feel we have continued to do that. As you watch our video, I would like you to meet our staff and see what we're all about. We really try to train our people not only on the aspects of heating and air conditioning in this business, but also on customer service. When we install a system in your home, our installers are going to fill out a checklist. One of the questions on that checklist will be, are you 100% satisfied? It's a yes or no answer. If it's a no, we want to know what it's going to take to get you satisfied, and that is our goal. In addition to the service that we provide as a company, the three most important factors in an install would be safety, efficiency, and comfort for your home and your family.
I started with the business about 10 years ago. My husband and I really don't want to have anything to do with the maintenance of the house, so we have key people that we call ECS. We got on a maintenance plan for them, so I call, they come and do their thing, and I don't have to worry about the heat pump system.
Hi, I'm Andy Sadison. I am the sales rep for the company. And what I do is go into consumers' homes, find out different problems they may have in their home, and look at ways we can correct them. If it's energy savings that we're looking for to save them money on their electric bill or their gas bill or their oil bill.
I initially heard about EC&S on the radio because I listened to Bob Radio every morning, and I was very impressed. I knew from Dave, being a neighbor of mine, that they were a good company, and I was very pleased with the service. I had the heating and air conditioning unit replaced because mine was old, and I knew that it wasn't going to last too much longer. And then I called later and asked them to install a humidifier. So I felt that would be an added plus for it. So.
Hi there, I'm Melanie. I'm the one that you'll come and talk to the minute you come in or the minute that you call in to see us. I do a lot of the invoicing, I take the calls, I dispatch the guys to and from. We just make sure that everything's working fine and the customer's happy.
Hi, my name's Brett Haldeman from Haldeman Brothers Masonry. Being in the construction business, I know what it's like getting reputable people. I think what's really key for having a heating or air conditioning system installed or replaced is having somebody who really knows their product and what they're dealing with. With Dave and Andy at EC&S, they really helped me understand what I was looking for and what I needed for my home. I had my home built in 2000 and went with a recommended heating company who's local here. From the get-go, the installation really was not what it should have been. The heating system never worked properly. I asked them repeatedly to come back and take a look at it and diagnose it. They could never track down the problem or remedy the situation. They just would do a band-aid service on it every time. And out of desperation, I'm not quite sure how I came about EC&S, but fortunately I did. And the first time out, they were able to diagnose what the problem was and fix it correctly.
Hi, I'm John Sadison. I'm the operations manager here at Environmental Controls and Service. I take care of overseeing the ordering of equipment, of parts, of scheduling for many of the jobs. Just the other week I was at a banquet and ran into a lady that was actually my Sunday school teacher from when I was in 6th grade. And she looked at me and said, "Hey, you guys put a furnace in at my house and it is working wonderfully." Kind of sought me out to tell me that I just want you to know how great a job your guys did.
When we moved to Elizabethtown in 2011 and purchased this building, one of the priorities was that we could set up a training center for our technicians. Training is a priority with our company and enables us to have an area that we can have a classroom and a live area for units and equipment. I'm going to go over some hydronics this morning.
My name is Sean Gager. I'm an installer service technician for EC&S. I was a 4.0 student at YTI. The reason I like working for EC&S is because I work with the most advanced equipment. We install the best product. I work with great people like Greg Brand every day. Andy and Dave are just awesome people to work for, and our customers that I have met are just great individuals.
Anytime we've had a situation come up where we needed service here quickly, they've always been available, taking care of us as soon as they could get someone out here. Always been able to fix the problems in a timely manner, get us back going again, get the heat going, or get the chillers for our machines fixed.
We have quite a few machines that are heating air conditioning scattered around the building here. They've always been very good about being on time, just like Doug said, and just being here, knowing that you can count on them without having to call back a second or third time. Excellent.
When we approach a commercial customer, what we're first looking at is safety. How we eliminate safety problems is during our planned maintenance. Coming out and checking everything over, seeing if we find potential problems. We're going to have AC hazard, but also efficiency or breakdown. We also have same-day service. In the unfortunate event that you would have to break down that same day.
Here at the business here, we're heated by a groundwater heat pump. And I always wanted to say congratulate EC&S for being on the leading edge of technology. They're very sharp, their technicians seem to be trained very well, and they're very good at what they do.
Hi, my name is Francis Glenn. I'm the Director of Environmental Services here at the Lebanon Valley Brethren Home. I started here about 2 years ago and had an opportunity to start with EC&S and bring on them as a part of our team member here. We have several boiler rooms throughout the community, plus I have 300 different apartments and cottages that they also service on an annual and semi-annual basis for us. So far our relationship between us and ECS has been very, very good. They are 24-hour service to us, and they've always had that commitment. We also work with them closely on several different projects. One of our most current projects is our conversion in our boiler room. We had 30-year-old boilers in there. We have compacted them. We have turned those over to gas now. We were using oil at the time. We are looking forward to working with them with another opportunity in another boiler room in the future.
Hi, I'm Roger with EC&S. This is a rooftop unit here, and we're just changing out the filters to add more cleaner filters for pure air, clean air environment. I've been working with ECS now for 3 years. My approach to my job is to satisfy my customers in every way possible, treat them as I'd like to be treated myself.